Okay, we're going to put on the front fender today. We're going to put on the front bumper. I've got the front bumper all assembled. All the grills and the lights and let's see what else. Got the bottom lights put in, got the grills put in. Yeah, upper grill and the lower grill. One of the blinkers are put in, side markers. So we'll see how this is going to do. Should have my helper over here putting this on. I think my helper's probably in school though. All three of these bolts I got real loose. That way I can still move it around a little bit. Now we can get to the bolts right in there where the fender is. These bottom bolts down through here. I don't believe the paint quite matches. Looks to me like it's a little bit light. Even sitting there in the shade. Okay, I had to put a washer under this bolt to bring it up a little bit. I'll see what it looks like. This light needs to be moved over just a little bit more and raised up just a little bit more. Okay, the first thing we'll do is plug this thing in. This one right here. Okay, we got it. I gotta go get my plastic push pin that goes down in these so my bumper won't fall off. Checking the blinkers last night and this side over here don't work, so I had to pull the lights out of it. So I got a bulb today from O'Reilly's, so we'll get that put in real quick. Okay, now we got them both going again. Got both sides working. All the lights got to work in order to pass inspection. So that's good. That little square spot right there in the bumper, I got the piece for that. I just gotta get it painted and get it put in. I think that's for your tow hook. I'm not sure where they can hook onto you. Okay, on that piece right there, I gotta put double-sided tape on that. Get that put in. And on this fender right here, down on the very bottom down here, there's nothing there, as you can imagine, with the accident. So I'm gonna have to fabricate something right in here. I've got something right in there and on up to the top, but right down to the bottom there's nothing there. So I'm gonna have to fabricate something. And this paint, I'll tell you what, it looks pretty close today. It just depends on what side of it just depends on how the light's hitting it. Looks pretty close right there. I need to touch up this door right here. Got a lot of scratches on it. Probably sand it down and probably reshoot clear on it. And yeah, like I say, I'm gonna have to fabricate something on the bottom down there, because as you can see, the gap's not right. I gotta have something down at the bottom so I can pull it out a little bit. And I did get my door into the fender right there. I'm gonna have to touch it up. Sad to say. Now the only thing left I got on this is got charge the air conditioning. I got a couple front low tires I got to air up. And that pinstripe that goes down through there, pinstripe right here, I'm gonna have to use just regular vinyl tape on that to make it look right. And I don't know how I'm gonna get my bottom ground effect, so I'll have to see what I can find. But this don't even look like the same car compared to just a couple days ago. Everything lined up fairly well. I mean, for as bad a condition as it was. But I still have a little bit of sag down on this corner right here. Sags down just a little bit right here. I think maybe this whole frame might have got shoved down. But other than that, I think it turned out really well. But yeah, next time I get my paint out, I'll paint that little square right there. And then I do have another emblem for the front right here. This is all busted out right there. I do have a new one of these. All I have to do is change the wreath part of it. But the grill and the upper grill and the lower grill is all still in pretty good shape. So I might make one or two more videos on this and call it good. I want to do I gotta do a cleanup video where I wash her down good and wax it and vacuum it out again and all that good stuff. This is the part I was telling you about. This part right here will go into the line. See, it has that. It has that connector I need right there. That will go into the line, the hose. Okay, that's the right fitting on that end. And on this end, this will go into the radiator. This actually goes onto a Cadillac STS, but I found a line that would work on this car, so I got one. I bought one. I'm going to put this on the bottom side. I'm not sure I'll have time today, but it's already starting to get late. But that's the line I was talking about. And I'm going to stick that on the bottom side, and if it works real good, then I'm going to get one for the top side. Get them hoses off of there. Don't like them hoses on there. I got to get this car moved over to the right in behind the Camaro. So I always got room to get the golf cart out. Okay, thanks for watching.